Okay, you know, the channel's Tech Made Easy, but I'll tell you something. I bought these couches a while ago from Ashley, I believe. I don't want to tell you how many times I've replaced these broken handles, okay? I mean, some people replace the handles, some people just throw the couch out, or they deal with it, or they buy a new couch. You know, I like to buy things and I like to make sure that they are going to last. Now, a lot of the stuff we have in the world, it's not like that. Hey, good news though, I'm going to include a link to Amazon where you can buy these replacements, okay? I went through a few of them, but you'll be able to buy these replacements and put them in yourself. So this will be a little longer video, but I'm going to take this out and I'm going to install this new one, and I can now recline my nice, soft, comfortable couches that I'm used to. So you want to take your screws out. Now I'll tell you this too, this stuff is made of junk, so sooner or later the screw holes don't work anymore, okay? I then had to basically screw towards the side, okay? I know you really can't see it too well, but I actually had to screw, let's see, there's better lighting. I don't know, so here are the original screw holes, you see that? And here's me screwing onto the side of the couch to grab a hole to make sure this stays in, okay? So a little better lighting there at least. All right, so let me start the process here, all right? And I'll show you as much as I can, okay? It's not real easy to work in a close spot with the camera. But here goes. So I took the screws out, I wiggle this out here, and you know, the cable never breaks. But for some reason, this breaks. It's plastic. Look at this. You see how it's falling apart? Okay? This is not supposed to be broken. It's supposed to be connected to here, as you can see. But after a while, that's it. You're done. All right? And where's your new one? There's your new one. Okay, so as you can see, you know, side by side, I guess, your broken one and your new one. Okay? So let's take this off. What you do, and I already did this because I had to, is there's a pin that basically goes around and holds this and grabs the ends. Okay, you're going to see me install the new one. So you take this pin off. Okay, all right. So you take that pin off. A lot of times you have to, you know, get a screwdriver or whatever it is and get underneath it. Now, I'll also tell you, right? Let me move this down a little bit. You see this glue? I mean, I tried using everything to make this stronger. Okay, really. So you take this pin off. All right, like I said originally, it is basically down here, just grabbing, right? Let me see if I can get it back in place. And then what you do is you're gonna pretty much just get this pin out, all right? And then it kind of holds this in place. So when you pull this out, all right, you see that comes out of there. All you gotta do now is really just get the pin. You see this here? You get this out and you're ready for your new one. All right, and then here's my new one. So I'm going to slide this in here, pull it up, notch it in place. All right, I'm not done yet, but I'm almost done. Now I'm going to see if I can use this older pin because I like using one or two of these. But let's see if it'll work. All right, so you see that? So the older pin is holding this in place, locked in here. They give you the silver pin. Okay, they give you this. Sometimes I end up using two of them. But funny though, I mean really, wow, I'll tell you something, their pin's not even long enough. Well, maybe it is. I'll tell you this now, if you do get this, be ready to fight with this pin to get it locked in place. You know, but this is basically matches this hole, and that's the thing. So when I went online, what I did on Amazon is I went and searched for a couple of these things. I ordered a few that had the free returns. So as long as you're an Amazon Prime member, I believe you do get free returns on a lot of information, a lot of products you sell. Again, don't forget to use the link in my description. That's going to help me, all right? And you can order whatever you want on that link. And you know, that actually helps our channel, helps support our channel. Helps me support my little doggy too. She's over here watching me. Check this out. You see her there? That's her. All right, you don't want to see my place. It's pretty messy right now. So how do I get this back in? I'm going to basically, now that the clip is all set and solid, I'm going to put that back into place. Okay, and then what I do want to do is I want to grab my drill and my screws and get ready to put it back in place. I've done this a couple of times. So I do have to, and let me see. All right, let me see. Oh, they do have side. Wow. Let me look at this for a second. Oh, great. What's funny is this actually does have a side hole that I can drill into. Oh my God, that's awesome. All right. So I'm not going to take your time showing you how I drill, but as you can see here, I mean, your broken one is done. It's smoked. Okay. Right. However it breaks, it's done. I'll include the link so you can order this one, which matches a lot of the Ashley furniture, Ashley home furniture. All right. And as I said, the Ashley one, if I can show you without, you know, basically the Ashley one has screws in the front. I actually had to make side screws because these things stripped out, because this isn't real wood, this couch, right? I mean, it's got some wood, but then it's got board and stuff. So they make them okay. I mean, obviously, how did they get the price down so low? All right. So again, please support my channel. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and hit the bell so you get notified of new videos I post. I do chat with people that have questions or comments. So definitely, if you have a question, you have a comment, let me know. Go ahead and post it. But I'll include the Amazon link. Go ahead and use that link if you are shopping, not just for the replacement part, but anything else. While you click my link, you're helping my channel. All right, I hope that helps. Thank you so much for your time. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.